Namaste all of you. For 8th class students, now we are going to discuss about factorization using algebraic identities. Already I send you the three formulas. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Using these three formulas, how we can factorize the given expressions, now we can see. Here first problem, 25p square minus 49q square. 25 we can write as 5 square, next p square, minus 49 we can write as q square. So it is nothing but 5p whole square minus 7q whole square. It is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a is equal to 5p and b is equal to 7q. Now according to the given formula, a plus b into a minus b. So it is nothing but 5p plus 7q into 5p minus 7q. We can solve another problem. Here 48a square minus 243b square. So if you observe here, 48 is not a perfect square. Perfect square is nothing but 4. It is nothing but 2 into 2. 16, it is nothing but 4 into 4. 9, it is nothing but 3 into 3. Like that we can write it as product of two equal numbers. So 48 is not possible to write product of two equal numbers. That's what I will write it as 3 into 16 a square minus 3 into 81b square. In these two terms, 3 is common term. I will write it separately. So remaining 16 a square minus 81b square. Here 16 is nothing but 4 square and 81 is nothing but 9 square. So it is nothing but 4a whole square minus 9b whole square. Again the formula a square minus b square. Here a is nothing but 4a and b is nothing but 9b. So we can write it as 3 into 4a plus 9b into 4a minus 9b. We can see the another problem here. P power 4 minus 256. P power 4 we can write it as p square whole square. 256 is nothing but 16 square. So it is nothing but a square minus b square. So a is equal to p square, b is equal to 16. So p square plus 16 into p square minus 16. Again 16 we can write it as 4 square. Again this p square minus 4 square. So p square plus 16 into p plus 4 into p minus 4. Another problem, x square plus 10x plus 25. First term x square, last term 25 is nothing but 5 square. Middle plus is there. So we can write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. So 10 is nothing but 2 into 5 into x. So x square plus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is nothing but a plus b whole square. So here a is nothing but x, b is nothing but 5. So it is nothing but x plus 5 whole square. So it is called x plus 5 into x plus 5. Another problem, 16a square minus 48a plus 36. 16 we can write it as 4 square and a square, and last term 36 we can write it as 6 square. So first term it is there in the form of a square, last term it is in the form of b square. Middle minus symbol is there. So that's what we can consider as 2ab. So minus 2 into 4a into 6. 4 2s 8, 8 6s 48. So it is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is nothing but 4a, b is nothing but 6. So it is nothing but 4a minus 6 whole square is equal to 4a minus 6 into 4a minus 6. So dear students, you can carefully observe these example sums. I will send you a worksheet. You can practice. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can already, I told you, you have to put it a separate book for this practice session and everything. You can write it on that one. Thank you.